Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from WIKO Y60 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both your devices and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. Then you need to go with Receive on an Android. And Send on WIKO. In order to send all of your files, you need to tap on all of those dots, but it will take some time, so I will only go with this one photo. Click Send and I've got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. In order to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose Allow and point your device camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files or, for example, File Manager. Click on, in my case, Images, and as you can see, my photo is over here. Sorry, I have to enter password. Here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!